At 6th Avenue Homes, we know you want to be original.
You deserve that perfect house, a home that feels like you.
In order to make that happen, you need to buy the right house and then have the ability to make every bit of it your own.
The problem is, the old school real estate model just can't get it all done.
Most people wind up wasting time and money trying to find a real estate agent, an interior design firm, and a construction company to bring their vision to life.
And that whole process often leaves people frustrated and overwhelmed and just not sure where to turn.
But that's why we created 6th Avenue Homes, the one-stop shop for the home of your dreams.
So whether you're looking to get top dollar on the home you're selling, searching for a new one, remodeling your living space, or just freshening everything up with our design team, we've got a team of experts to help you do any or all of it.
Our real estate agents, lenders, designers, and construction experts have helped thousands of people find and create spaces that feel like them, all under one roof.
So here's how it works. First, we'll meet up to learn about your vision and create a simple action plan to bring your ideas to life.
Then we're going to team up the perfect combination of real estate guides, lenders, designers, and construction experts to get the job done.
And finally, we'll raise our glasses up on the front porch of a home that feels just like you.
So schedule your meetup today, because life is too short to live in a boring home.